Welcome to Health Fact 10M.
Believe it or not, you can completely transform your body and achieve incredible visible results in as little as 3 weeks, using nothing but your own body weight. No expensive gym memberships, no equipment, no complicated machines, just your determination, consistency, and the right exercises. In this video, I'm going to walk you through 6 extremely effective bodyweight exercises that will help you build muscle, increase strength, burn fat, and improve your overall fitness. And make sure you stay with me all the way till the end, because the final exercise is a total game changer. It's a single technique that builds muscle and melts fat at the same time like nothing else. So, let's begin. Exercise 1. Push-ups. Push-ups are one of the most powerful and efficient upper body exercises ever created. They don't just target one muscle. They activate your chest, shoulders, triceps, back muscles, and even your core all at the same time. That's why push-ups are used by athletes, military training programs, and professional trainers worldwide. Push-ups improve functional strength, meaning the power you gain helps you in real-life activities, from lifting things to maintaining better posture and shoulder stability. Beginners can start with incline or knee push-ups for proper form and gradual strength building. Advanced trainers can challenge themselves with diamond push-ups, archer push-ups, or explosive clap push-ups for increased muscle fiber activation and faster gains. Form tip. Keep your body in one straight line, lower until your chest nearly touches the floor, then push up with power while keeping your core tight. Exercise 2. Squats. Squats are known as the king of lower body exercises, and for a good reason. They build your quadriceps, hamstrings, glutes, and lower back while improving balance, flexibility, and core engagement. Not only do squats make your legs and glutes stronger and more defined, they also help release natural strength-boosting hormones like testosterone and growth hormone. This means squats support total body muscle growth, not just your legs. Key points. Keep your chest up, back straight, and knees aligned with your toes as you lower down until your thighs are parallel to the ground. Push up through your heels for maximum muscle activation. For extra challenge, try pulse squats, squat holds, or add a jump at the top to build explosive power. Exercise 3. Mountain climbers. Once your body is warmed up, it's time to raise the intensity. Mountain climbers are a fast-paced, high-energy exercise that attacks your core, arms, shoulders, and legs all in one movement. This move also raises your heart rate and burns calories quickly, making it perfect for combining strength and fat loss. Mountain climbers especially target the deep core muscles that stabilize your spine and improve overall balance and posture. Keep your plank tight and drive your knees to your chest as quickly as you can while maintaining control and rhythm. Exercise 4. Jumping jacks. Jumping jacks might feel like a simple school-time exercise, but they are one of the most underrated full-body conditioning movements out there. They activate your legs, core, arms, and shoulders, while quickly boosting your heart rate for improved endurance and fat burning. They enhance coordination, rhythm, and stamina, and they can easily be modified for beginners or intensified with resistance bands or plyometric variations. Try to move with control, maintain a steady rhythm, and land softly to protect your joints. Exercise 5. Lunges. Next, we slow down the pace and focus on strength and muscle control. Lunges isolate each leg individually, helping you develop balanced strength, hip stability, mobility, and better lower body symmetry. They target your quads, hamstrings, glutes, and challenge your balance, which means your core and stabilizing muscles also get a workout. Step forward, lower your hips under control, and push through your front heel to return to standing. You can switch legs or perform walking lunges for added difficulty. Advanced variations include reverse lunges, side lunges, or jumping lunges. Exercise 6. HIIT, high-intensity interval training. Now for the most powerful method, HIIT. High-intensity interval training isn't just a workout, it's a fat-burning and muscle-building system. HIIT alternates between short bursts of maximum effort and brief recovery periods. This forces your body to burn more calories, increases endurance, and stimulates a powerful afterburn effect called EPOC, excess post-exercise oxygen consumption, meaning your metabolism stays elevated for hours after your workout. A simple example: HIIT round, 30 seconds burpees, 20 seconds jump squats, 10 seconds rest, repeat 4 to 5 rounds. HIIT helps build muscle, burn fat faster, and condition your lungs and heart at the same time, making it one of the most effective fitness methods on the planet. Bonus. 3-week plan for results. To transform your body using only body weight, train 5 days a week, strength days. Push-ups. 3 sets of 12 to 15. Squats. 3 sets of 15 to 20. Lunges. 3 sets of 10 each leg. Focus on slow, controlled movements. HIIT plus cardio days. Mountain climbers, 30s. Jumping jacks, 30s. Repeat 4 rounds, 20s. Rest between sets. Rest days, 2 days. Do stretching or light yoga so your muscles can recover and grow. Stay consistent, increase intensity gradually, and you will see and feel the results in just 3 weeks.
Don't forget to like, comment, and subscribe for more amazing health videos on Health Fact 10M.